friends, today we will read English story Faiza's Biscuits. Faiza's Biscuits. Faiza is poor. She is hungry. Her tiffin carrier is empty. A car is stopping and people are getting out. Here is a red color car and little girl said, "Look, there is the restaurant." A little girl looks at Faiza. They all go into the restaurant. Faiza is looking through the window of the restaurant. Oh, ice cream! The Faizas looking ice cream. The people are having fun. They are eating ice cream and biscuits. The little girl is cutting a cake. What are the others singing? The others singing, "Happy birthday to you." Faiza is sitting on a wall close to the car. The party is over. Everyone is carrying party bags and wearing party hats. The little girl goes to Faiza. She gives her a bag and a box. Faiza opens the bag. She eats some cake. She does not open the box. What is in it? She puts the box in her basket. She puts the basket on her head. She goes down the road. The next morning, Faiza is outside a school. What is she doing? Who is buying something from her? Faiza is selling biscuits. Look, friends, 10 years later, Faiza's open biscuit shop and selling of Faiza's biscuit. That's the end of moral story. Share my videos with your friends.